Okay guys, we've just finished doing all of our workouts, so now it's really important to cool down those muscles so that they don't end up really sore tomorrow. So we're just going to run through a quick cool down now, starting with the calf stretch. So bend that knee, put that other one out straight, and I really want you to pull those toes up, pointing them to the sky. Okay, switch to the other side for me. Now we're going to do the hamstring. So you're just going to put that foot down instead, and now you should feel that stretch up on the hamstrings instead of on the calves. Do the other side for me. So really get right down into it so you're really feeling that in those thighs. Have that toe flat down. All right. Next, I want you to do your inner thighs. So we're bending out. We've got one going stretched out, the other one straight. You feel a nice stretch between the side here. Alright, switch sides for me. Okay, now let's stretch the upper body. So stretch those shoulders, so one arm's across, pull this other one up underneath and over, and you should be feeling a nice stretch through that shoulder. All right, switch to the other side for me. Feel that nice pull on that shoulder. We really want to stretch it out. All right, and now, lastly, we're going to do our triceps. So, arms up overhead, touching the middle of your back with your hand, and just pull it back a tiny bit with the other arm, and feel that nice stretch come right down your tricep here. Okay, switch arms for me. And there you have it. There is a quick cool down that you can do after any of my workouts.